So what's the main reason that most stocks bumped then dumped when the market opened? We have one thing we're going to discuss, which is the SPY, because we have a reversal for the SPY we're going to discuss later on. We're going to discuss today Zomedica because it's pumped around the 33 cent and got rejected. That's why we took our profit on our live streaming that we did on our Patreon around this area, the 31, and exit because we spotted a bit of weakness for Zomedica. We're going to discuss the support and the breakout zone for Zomedica. aapl still have a support and holding this ascending line. We have a breakout for today. We went until the $1.83 and got rejected. Bbig broke the support, the 75, and didn't overcome the 87 breakout zone that we discussed in the last videos. AMC as well, we went until the profit taken that we triggered around $6. We went until the $6.50, and then we went down. We're gonna discuss the support and resistance as well, and we're gonna discuss, of course, the SPY and why all the market is going down. So first, let's discuss Zomedica. As we said before, the 24 cent is our bottom and support area for Zomedica. That's why the price pumped the moment that we broke the 25 cent, and the price went around the 27, and then we added some position around this area and the price pumped again, and today we took our profit around this area below the 33 cent, our profit taken, and that's why we exit, because we saw a sign of weakness the moment that we broke the support. So what's the game plan? We need to hold this current support. Let me just lower this down around the 1 hour chart. Yeah, around the 27 cent. So the 27 cent is current support. Now we need to hold above this support and then breaking the 33 cent to go toward the first profit taken, the 40 cent. We're going to update the other profit taken for Zomedica in coming days in our Patreon, so stay tuned for that. We got ape, the price went down almost 3% and the pre-market was 5%. So we have a new resistance now around the $1.83, which is a breakout zone toward the $2.16. And now we're still holding this current ascending channel since last year, imagine, and the price is still holding this ascending channel. So if we're still holding above this ascending channel, we're gonna have a break the $1.83 and going toward the $2.16. Next up on our list, we got Bbig. The price didn't hold our support that we accumulated at yesterday, above the 75 cent. That's why the price gave up and broke this support with this huge red candle. Now, what's the game plan? Where's the bottom for Bbig? We have to spot the bottom. Why? Because Bbig has been trending down since we hit with this massive rejection area around this level, the $1.92, and we went down since last year. Now we want to confirm this is the reversal, and the market maker bought around the 55 cents. And how are we going to confirm that? Of course, our AMA. So this area should be our bottom and never go below it, between the 55 and 61 cents. So this should be the bottom for Bbig in coming days in order to have a reversal and a break in the 87. The 87 is the breakout zone to have another bullish momentum, like the moment that we broke last Friday for this area. You see this a huge bump? The same reaction we needed to happen here around the 87 to have a breakout toward the first profit taking the $1. However, now we see a bit of selling pressure because we hit with this massive resistance that we test and get rejected at. When we have the pump on Friday, we did the pre-market update on our Patreon for Bbig, and we warned our hunters for the rejection area and the resistance around the 87, and that's why the price went down today. So as we said, we need to hold this last bottom or reversal area for Bbig in order to accumulate, then breaking the 87 once again for Bbig. AMC 5% down. We were almost 5% up when the market opened. We hit the rejection area around the $6.51, and we have a huge selling pressure. This is normal because the SPY got rejected around the resistance area. We're going to discuss it in a bit. And the price now will fill this box, which is a reversal area. So for AMC, if we held above this box, accumulate above this support, we're gonna get a reversal after that and breaking the $6.51 and going toward the 7 and above. So this box will confirm this is the accumulation area and a reversal area, because if we didn't hold this box, it means a sell-off. So how we know it's a sell-off? Boom, the price will go toward the $4.39. If it's not a sell-off, it means accumulation, holding, and then reversal for AMC. Next up, we got the SPY. Why do we have to discuss the SPY? Because today we have the right breakout for AMC, for Zomedica, for ape. Everything was perfect. However, for the SPY, have a different story. If we go in a big picture, you see with me, the SPY every time test this bearish channel from above, get rejected. Around last January last year, and again around March last year, and of course around August last year, and here last month last year, and today we got tested. This is the 5th time for the SPY test this bearish channel and get rejected and going down. And see how much the plunge or the selling pressure. Boom, here we have 11%, and there we have is 18%. You might see another dip from this around this purple box. Let me just check if we have a huge dip. Yeah, another 18% for the SPY. So if we don't clear this rejection area for the SPY and we don't hold this time above this AMA and going higher toward the $4.30, as we said, this is the confirmation for a bullish trend for the whole market. We're gonna have this huge selling pressure for the SPY, like what happened before last year when we test this bearish channel from above, huge selling pressure, and the reversal will happen in this box between the 340 and the 325. We're gonna do update after this video, of course, for BBY special video, so stay tuned for that. Always do update daily and live streaming tomorrow around the 3 p.m. CET, because we're gonna do watch list for the stock that have potential to squeeze, and we're gonna hunt for them together. So stay tuned for this live streaming and see you in the next update.